Eat them gizzards, smack, 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 dude. Them eyeballs like a candy snack. Just want to have a little look-see daisy. Get a little look-see daisy. Alright, Leyland. You and me are fucking tonight. Alright, he has a stun. Okay, I'm gonna run away from this Leyland from now on. No, he's cringe. Run from the Leyland, he's cringe. Help, help, help. No, I can't handle the cringe, dude. Run, dude, run. He's too cringe. His cringe is unimaginable. It's unending. It's impeccable. They're all under the house. Why? They're on the generator. Kill them, kill them. They're going battery side. They got left battery open. I think my teammates are a special kind of special. Connie's on battery. She's coming out. There's two of them over here. Two of them are in the middle. I don't even know if someone's over here. I'm just gonna go help them. Okay, at least the cook is helping. Dude, Sissy got stabbed too. What the hell? He's able to double stab like that? That's kind of crazy. Hanging on to a life that's already gone, baby. Can't put a bomb on here. They're going battery again. Shiny boy! Come here, shiny boy! Oh, he got it all open. Rip. Okay, dude. No. Yeah, this game's over. They have so many points. GG! We just need to focus on killing one person. Ooh! First try. Dude, I heckin' love Sissy. Yeah, I mean, they got Fuse open too. This is GG. GG. Trust me on that. Need to feed Grandpa. Need to get more, me and the fam don't mean no harm. Ooh, I think he almost made it to the... Syphilis. Get back here and take this pounding. Maybe blood buckets in here? Nope. Get over here and take this pounding. How does that miss? I don't know, but it does. Pork and beans, I'm coming down. Pork and beans. Alright, I got the Connie. Smell my ass. Smell my ass, dude. What? Dude, this door's locked. Why the fuck this person come over here? Oh my god. This is who we're losing to? Are you serious right now? This just shows you how easy it is to play victim. Leyland's on me, by right battery gate. Even this Leyland is bad. He's running to Johnny Shack in the middle. He's trying to door slam. Feels good. He's coming out the crack on the side. Yeah. Smack that all on the floor. Smack that. Give me some money. Smack that. Smack that. Oh. Stop. You're moving. Yeah, I've noticed like feeding Grandpa with bones is like kind of janky too. Nice, this cook got a kill. Let's go, baby. Lick your brain like an ice cream cone. I'm assuming the Wyatt's probably gonna go battery. Oh, Oasis over there. Okay, they're good. They're watching over there. We need to get security alarms up. Or exterior alarms, whatever the hell it's called. I don't know. I think there's no blood over here. Lick your brain like an ice cream cone. I need to get one more bucket. Alright, I'm gonna get exterior alarms here soon. We need to make sure all the doors are shut so we can see where he's going. Alright, I'm gonna go feed Grandpa real quick. I'm actually surprised they didn't all get out. They must just not know how to be aggressive or when to be aggressive, I guess. Nice. Alright, I'm going to start shutting the doors in the basement too. He's coming in the house, I think. Shut this door. Make sure we get all these doors shut real quick. Is he in the basement? Oh, why is that cook in the basement? Oh, you got him. Nice. GG. This'll be a blast, baby. I must know where the spots are to put these bombs. Boom, boom, boom. Connie's coming up the middle.
How the fuck is she outside already and her point saying up?
Cause I opened it and then she came out.
Oh, what the fuck?
Hey, sometimes you gotta peek in the basement, bro. Just a little peeky peek. Aw, shit, I'm teleporting.
Brother's cheesy.
Oh shit, this Connie's teleporting too.
Chase her.
Yeah, she's in blue container. She's coming out the front. She's going to the left.
Okay.
She's running, she's running.
The wrong way.
Get the Connie. Nice. Maria. Alright, Maria's dead. Nice.
And that's
See, that's
right
easy,
there.
bro. See? Doesn't even matter if we leave the door open.
It's on the valve.
Yeah, sure.
You got it.
It's Anna. She went under.
I'll chase her.
Kinda got stuck right there.
Anna's getting a bone scrap over here. She's going to the back of the holding pen.
I see her.
She's fighting me.
I will give you encouragement.
Thank you, thank you. She's coming back towards the left door.
I'm here. She's going sliding door. She's going.
She's gonna scrap again.
I got her. She come through this way. Yeah, I got her right.
She's going through the middle. She's going to the well in the middle. Yep, she dropped down.
Right, she welded. Virginia's doing some shit. She probably already got the generator side. I'm not gonna lie. Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think she turned it off.
I said it.
It's all good. Pretty sure this is a 4-man. I don't know.
No, they disconnected.
Oh, did they? Oh, yeah, they did. Maybe it's a 2-man then. 2-2-mans.
We're not gonna say who fucked it up, but somebody fucked it up in the beginning.
What? We got 2 kills in the beginning. How's that a fuck up?
Somebody decided to open the door for the victim.
I mean, I can't predict that they're gonna be good every game. Usually they don't do that. Like, that happens like 1 out of 20 games. I don't even know.
I think I do that a lot, especially with Johnny. Johnny loves to open the door. Are you a Johnny?
Well, that's
Yeah.
because you're a good player. You're smart. But most people don't do
Johnny,
that.
Johnny loves to open doors, so I just went right past him with the Jimmy. Alright, go ahead, turn it off.
Alright, she's stabbing me.
Alright, she's fighting. You should be able to.
I'm stunned.
Still?
Yep, still stunned. She has the
Gonna well.
ability, the perk or whatever.
Yeah, she's got help.
Yep. She's running
She
through
was fighting,
towards
she's
the ladder
Oh shit,
exit.
you didn't turn it off.
Yeah, I'm chasing her away. She got another bone scrap. It's coming to the right gen gate or door, whatever. She's running back to the middle, going to Grandpa. She's scrolling, going back to pressure valve.
She hit that ability real fast. I'm about to go down there to her ass. Actually, the door's locked.
She's going to the cold room.
Yeah, it's all good.
She's going to bone room.
I'm right here.
She's in bone room. She's going up
On
a
my
holding
next
pin.
feed, next feed is level 5, so I mean, we ain't even gotta worry about that. Are you chasing her?
Yeah. I mean, there's only one person left, so might as well be chasing. Yeah, see, I mean, now she's dead. That's easy.
Good shit. Good shit.
Kill them all. This is why I wanted to play Sissy. This person's probably not even gonna rush the basement. Dude, what in the hell? It's literally just glitching. Dude, fuck this game. Holy shit, bro. How does that miss? Now I'm just missing. Dude, how is she still alive? Dude, how many times? She like a million toughness, Julie. I literally hit her 7 times, was that? Jesus, she must have had 50 HP or 50 toughness. Alright, I got the Julie. Give a knee down for the boys. For the boys. For the homies. I think they're coming up under the church. But we got 2 kills though. Let's go. Let's go, gamers. Let's go, gamers. You gotta learn to play around the bugs in the game. It's not a bug, it's a feature. Gotta learn to play around the features. That's right, baby, sing it. What the hell, this guy? Either flying or crying. That's fucking these bones lines around. Wonder if they're on the generator. Looks like my teammates are checking over there. So since they're going over to check generator, I'll go check over here, even though I don't really think they're over here, but I'll check it anyways. I'm kind of learning where the blood buckets are and stuff. I don't know where all of them are though, but I think there's another one over there. I check this gates or these gates real quick. Nope, they're good. Oh, there's not one over here. There's something. There was one over here last time. Splish, splash, squishy, 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 squishy. That's my sweet pea. Wonder if they're... Oh, one's getting hurt over here. Okay. On the leather face. Nice. Oop. Hanging on to a life that's already gone, baby. She had all the points. Now she's dead. Alright, I wanted to get another bucket, but we can just get the alarms up and then we'll get the excited grandpa going too. Connie's over here in this side gated area. She's by the gen exit. She's kicking the generator. Yeah. GG. That was actually a pretty good sissy. Well, the victims weren't very good either, though, so. GG.